Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best toaster ovens for RV on Amazon. One challenge of having an RV life is to fit an oven and a toaster into your cramped counter space. Toaster ovens are compact, versatile, and easy to use. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Black & Decker Toaster Oven. Another unit that makes a good RV toaster oven is the Black Decker, which can fit any small countertop. This compact toaster is so versatile that it can bake, toast, broil, and even keep your food warm. The heats evenly, so you don't have to worry about burnt toasts again. In fact, bread toasts offer a nice brown color even when cooked on low and on high. There seem to be no cold spots across the rack because the toasts came out fine. What we like about it: offers versatile cooking options. Heats and cooks evenly. The temperature seems to be precise. The handle stays cool while cooking. Easy to clean, thanks to the detachable crumb tray. What we don't like about it: too small for 2 bagel slices. No convection fan for fast cooking. Number 2. Dash Toaster Oven. While most toasters won't let you see the bread toasting inside, this dash provides a clear view window to check your toast's doneness visually. There are 7 toast settings to suit your preferred doneness. I prefer level 5 because I like my toast a little dark. I'm quite impressed with the wide toasting slot because it can fit any size, from a long bread slice to a bagel. Operation is easy because you can use the presets to defrost frozen slices of bread, reheat cold toasted bread, or toast one side with the bagel setting. What we like about it: a large clear window allows for easy viewing. Offers 7 toast settings. Attractive aqua blue color. Pops out toasts effectively. Auto shuts off for safety and convenience. What we don't like about it: high risk of burning due to the hot chrome surface. Slightly flimsy knobs. Number 3. Comfy Toaster Oven. Comfy is an excellent toaster oven for an RV because it's compact yet versatile to meet your cooking needs. It allows you to bake, toast, and broil your favorite recipes. With its compact size, you can fit 4 slices of toast or a 9-inch pizza. You have the upper dial to control the temperature and the lower dial to run the 30-minute timer. It's cool that Comfy allows you to choose your preferred shade of toast to be light, medium or dark. It's super convenient that there's a crumb tray under the unit because it makes cleaning easy. What we like about it: a compact yet efficient toaster oven for RV. Offers versatile cooking, baking, toasting, and broiling. Easy to operate with 3 choices of toast shades. Available crumb tray for hassle-free cleaning. The flexible rack can accommodate a variety of foods. What we don't like about it: dials sometimes go stiff. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven. Hamilton is another excellent travel toaster oven because of its functions and compact design. With its small size, you can toast bread on top and bake your favorite snacks or recipes below. Compared to other toaster ovens, the is 40% faster toasting bread into warm and crispy goodness. The space can fit a 9-inch pizza and bake all sorts of recipes in the oven portion, like casseroles and muffins. If the upper slot isn't enough, you can also make it toasts in the oven part, and the results will still be similar. What we like about it: has a compact design ideal for an RV. 40% faster at toasting bread compared to others. Offers a separate shade selector for toasts. Spacious oven part. The contoured dials are simple to use. 60-minute auto shut-off timer. What we don't like about it: not hold inside items well when RV is at high speed. Number 5. Dash Toaster Oven. The Dash is a portable toaster for RV that offers more than toast. This mini toaster oven is great for making bagels, cookies, and mini pizza. It comes with temperature control for you to cook food perfectly. I specifically love the cute design and small footprint of this Dash model. When you watch from afar, it looks like a classic TV with a clear screen and a large knob at the bottom. What we like about it: comes with accurate temperature control. Has a cute and compact style. Easy to use and clean. Excellent crumb tray design. Made of durable rust-resistant metal. What we don't like about it: Can only fit a single English muffin and other small items. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.